I think first time in Pakistan, the Cinch 2 by Arthrex. It's a very nice system. I have done the depth setting on 18, which is up to here. So you can change the setting of the depth based on how much you want to put it in. So you can rotate and change the depth. Now we will demonstrate how we do it in surgery. So today we are demonstrating the new meniscal repair kit, which is called the Cinch 2. If you look here, this guy has got a straightforward bucket handle tear, which we will repair. So we got the sheet now in. I want to set it to 16. Which is 16 plus the set karna hai. I want to set it to 16, which is this. Let's set to 16, please. Let's look at the light.
16.
Is it written? It's 14, 15, 16. On the depth gauge is showing 16. My first insertion will be here. Be in. First one is deployed. It will come up to the same level. So it will give you some space. It looks very beautiful. And then you go to the second one, which is this one. Prick it, lift it, insert it, and then number 2 goes down,
It's fired.
fired,
Come back.
and then you gently take it out, slowly, gradually, and then with the help of this suture cutter, you use the suture cutter, you go inside, make tiny bit more adjustment like I'm doing from the corner of the knot, and that's cut. So we have done our first Cinch 2 meniscal repair, and alhamdulillah looks very nice and stable. Cinch 2 meniscal repair.
Done.